For this tutorial, we'll be teaching you guys how to do the flare. Anyways, first thing you have to do is stretch. Do a lot of stretching. Any type of stretching with your legs open. You can stretch like this. Maybe like at least 10 minutes of stretching. You know, you can put your hand over to the side. You can stretch like that. Leg. You just have to get your legs open as possible. Yeah? No, the Jamaican man, I'm gonna say why, but this is what you need to do to learn the move. Yeah? You can stretch your shoulders too. Stretch your shoulders. These stretches are already stretched though. You know, you can do any one of these stretches. Stretch your hands. Hold. And you're good to go. First step to the flare is to get momentum for the spinning. You're going to put your leg. I'm right-legged, by the way. So you put your leg over to the side like this. Step back. Arms like this. Right? So again. Right? That's the first step you're going to do. Second step is first step. Second step, you put your hand in the middle between your legs. Right? Right where your shoulder is straight down, you look at the angle. Like wherever my shoulder is, straight down. You turn your hand to the side. So your fingers are facing to that way. Right? So you go boom. And the next step is you lean your body weight to this side while your foot will stretch under here. Right? She said under. And then this leg will lift up and give way for this leg to pass through till you get to the front. Right, so again, start from the top. Leg across, step across, and down to the side. Swing leg, other leg lift up. Then you get to the front. When you get into the front, lightly have this leg high as possible. This leg will continue to go up towards the shoulder as high as possible. So when it passes under here, it goes up. And you put your body forward, lift your body up like this. Right? Just like this leg goes up. While this one's still in the air. Okay, let's do that alone. Look. This is what it will look like in fast motion. Right? That's it in fast motion. Shall we do it one more time? A little slower. Right? Try to keep yourself upwards. An exercise that you can do to work on that is this move. Lift your body up like this. Then go like that. Try to get yourself in the strength, to have the strength to do the move. Yeah, that is pretty hard. But look to the side. Look what I'm doing. My hand is right by my hips. I push my gluteus maximus to the back a little bit. I push my chest out. And I lock my legs and I lift up. Right? Boom. Shoulders high. That is how you do that move. It might take you a while, but you can learn. Next step to the flare. When you get this leg high and both legs high, you're going to try to lift your body, your hips, as high as possible. If you can lift it like this, so while this leg is up, so you can give way for this one to sweep under. Like that. Right? So you try to lift your body up, hands straight out, and like you lift shoulders high, and you lift your body up like a handstand. Boom. You finish there. Alright, let's do this in fast motion. Fast motion is like this. Right? Let's do one more. Right? Easy. And that is how you do the flare. Now, the next step from the flare, I'm tired, you can see, is multiple flares. That's a whole different story. It will take you a while to learn one. After you learn one, the important part of learning more than one flare is to get the front as high as possible. This look weird. The front as high as possible. Yeah? So the front part of the flare, when you lift your right leg as high, you have to keep yourself up like this to be able to go into a second flare. Yeah? An exercise you can practice is what they call it. I don't remember what they call it, but this handstand. Lean forward like that. It's good to practice that to keep your hips high. Right? So when you get to the back, you're gonna lift your hips high again and you repeat the process. And try to continue your legs just at the beginning. Lift this leg up, let it pass through. Alright, watch this. Let me do it. Right? Something like that. Let's do one more. And this will be the end of the tutorial. That is how you do a flare. And there's many different variations you can go from that. You can do the flare, air flare, flare to windmill, flare to air flare back to flare to something else, jackhammer, 2000, 1990. It's an endless amount of combos you can do. So let's try to do 2 flares again. So, I'm tired now. Alright, let's go. There we go. Voila. Done. Flare to